So first of all, I'm going to show you the little sensor. See, it's on right now. If I put it under this light, you can see it goes off. So during the day, it automatically turns off. And see, this is the back. This is for if you want, you know, some pathway lights, but you don't want them sitting up real tall like the ones that I have sitting over there. And your grass isn't that tall, so you're not really worried about that. Like I have this little dirt spot right here that I can put this in. And instead of sitting way up here, you know, I can kind of just put this in. And you can go all the way flush with this. See how strong that is? Pretty much putting all my weight on that. Now that's not gonna go anywhere. Look how hard that's in there. I can even go more in there, but yeah. So if you have some like a pathway that's like rock or dirt like this, and you don't want those real high solar lights, perfect example of what you can use these for.